Ramusa says he will next part of the language. So here one person told that like this way basically the visa process basically system is implemented basically, and this way only basically they implements basically. So that's why basically one of the person told that Sunil basically you have applied for the visa basically. It might possible that whenever basically you are going to reach to Singapore, you might be getting creating the problem to that group basically. So the Singaporean government basically rejected your visa basically. So that might be the reason basically. Same way basically in Dubai, you visited, you have not got the job. So one person told that what that group basically is doing basically. Due to basically Sunil Nair basically visa rejected basically. Are they happy? So that also government have to think basically. Are the country basically happy by rejecting visa of Sunil Nair? So that basically might be basically because they might have thought uh, because without Indian government basically they never rejects the visa. So they have asked the Indian government and they have listened to the Indian government that don't give visa. So Dubai group basically has listened Indian government that visa he is not supposed to get basically. So one of the person told that like this without confirmation basically they never rejects the visa and never accepts the visa. That means in the rejection of visa and Sunil Nair basically is not getting job in software company, Indian governments are basically connected. So each software companies basically ask Indian governments that should we give job to him. They have told. So whenever basically Sunil Nair basically visited Mumbai 4 to 5 times, BJP group was ruling. They have basically not given it. Why? Because if he will get the job, his second marriage will happen, he will start the next generation. So in this delay of second marriage basically of Sunil Nair basically, BJP plays very important role basically. That means Lal Bahadur Shastri group basically play very important role. So as in basically today world will end. So this group will be main responsible group basically. So next you will see.